The Schumann charts this morning look like the Earth is slowly waking up from an intense weekend. The spectrogram shows calm blue across most sections, with streaks of green and yellow that look like soft energy clouds floating across the field. These patches are concentrated around the 12 to 20 Hz range, which gives the whole chart a glowing horizon effect. Amplitude is around 7.04. On the graph it shows up as small waves instead of tall spikes. Visually it looks like gentle rolling hills instead of mountains. This represents mild activity that people can feel in their mood or energy level without any major shock. The frequency line is holding at 7.5. On the chart, this is a thin white line moving straight across the graph, like a steady heartbeat. When frequency holds like this in the mid-zone, people often feel time moving differently, almost like a subtle slow motion effect. The line looks clean and stable. The Q factor at 20.47 is the most important visual signal today. On the graph, the Q factor is a tall white line that rises higher than the others around it. It looks like a bright needle standing up from a field of shorter lines. This shows high sensitivity in the field. Even when amplitude is low, this tall line indicates that the Earth is reacting strongly to background energy. The spectrogram from the last 24 to 48 hours shows two clear areas of activity. Left side, strong white and yellow bursts from earlier in the week. These look like bright lightning flashes inside the field. Right side, softer activity with wide green patches stacked like layers of mist. This is today's energy. The micro-vertical lines across the chart look like thin white rain falling down the graph. These represent quick discharges that can cause moments of emotional release or sudden clarity. The solar influences match the same pattern. Solar wind from the last 48 hours created pressure in the magnetic field. Even though the sun is calmer right now, the effects are still visible as subtle distortions on the spectrogram. These distortions appear as small horizontal bands and faint wave shapes across the blue background. Overall, the visuals of today's charts tell a clear story. Calm blue foundation, green and yellow energy clouds, thin white discharges like rain, a steady frequency line. A tall Q factor spike showing sensitivity. A soft glow around 12 to 20 Hz, light solar influence still echoing through the field. This is a reset day. Not chaotic, not explosive. But the visuals show a system clearing pressure and preparing for the next wave. More updates as the day evolves.